Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, you can see we're just consolidating here above the 50-day exponential moving average. It was a day yesterday where they ran it up in the morning. They kept going right. They picked up where they left off in Globex, but then you saw an intraday reversal. The question for me is, as we get down now into this, and if you look at it, if you throw out the run up to 38.97, okay, what you basically have over the course of two Globexes and a regular session is a consolidation. It's consolidating in a wide range, but you had the attempt to get up to that pre-FOMC price. We talked about that yesterday. Then, it held as resistance. It came back into the hourly mid-band. Now we've seen, maybe 4 or 5 hours below that, little pop back up to meet it. But the vast majority of these hourly candles are bisecting the hourly mid-band. And that's reflected in the Bollinger Bandwidth, which is tight and getting tighter. So last time we had that, tight, resolution, tight again, resolution, tight again. We'll get some kind of a resolution today. And I would say, pretty confidently that whatever that resolution is going to give you enough elbow room to get done what you need to get done for the day. The problems that people are running into is either fighting price, either long or short, or over trading in the times where it's really sloppy. So right off the open yesterday, it was pretty sloppy. I mean, it made a decision there eventually. But that 9:30 to 10 or 10:15 area was really whippy. You had some very large 5-minute candles as price really battled over just about everything. Hourly mid-band, VWAP, opening print, daily pivot was all right there. Today you're seeing a little bit more of the same as far as where we're going to open. It's about 10 after 9 as I'm doing this, so I'm going to wrap this up real fast. You've got daily pivot at 58.5. Price right now is trading 57.5. Hourly mid, basically 53. Volume weighted average price, 50. Our proprietary moving average and the 5-minute mid band are jammed in down there at 44. Where did we open yesterday in the regular session? 37.25. So we've pretty much been everywhere and nowhere at all. They've taken it up to 38.97, taken it down, as low as 34, 34.5, 34.25. And right back up into the same zone that we were kind of battling over yesterday. That could continue all the way to the next Fed meeting. I am telling you. Nobody is going to make any commitments. Nobody is going to stray too far off the reservation one way or the other. You've got a Fed meeting on November the 1st. You've got a midterm election on November, whatever the hell it is. And what is that, the 8th? And, there's a lot going on. There's a lot of unknowns, and you've got, after the close today, you have Amazon and Apple. That's going to be a big deal. So there's a whole lot. There are a lot more unknowns than knowns. The real pop yesterday was the Bank of Canada didn't raise as much as they thought they were going to raise, and you started to see some more of that language about, kind of tapering off on the rate raises, and they're trying, the market's trying to extrapolate that into our Fed. Who knows? I don't know. I'm not smart enough to know that. All I care about, honestly, is price. And since I didn't stay in a Holiday Inn Express last night, I'm going to leave that for something else. Just respect risk, respect price. Don't get ideologically entrenched in one side or the other, and you'll be fine. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Back tomorrow. Be good.